everyone, today's topic is leveling. So let us look at the definition of leveling. Leveling is an art of determining the relative height of object, point on, above or below the surface. It is the art of determining the height of any object that is near the earth's surface. Okay. Next is level surface. A surface in which any point is perpendicular to the direction of the force towards the pull of gravity. It can also refer to any surface which is parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. That is, if it is the mean spheroidal surface of the earth and the surface is parallel to it, going like this is called level surface. Or a surface in which any point is perpendicular to the direction of the force towards the pull of gravity. Like it is the pull of gravity and this surface is called level surface if it is perpendicular to the line of gravity. Level line. A line on a level surface. If the line that is on the level surface, then it is called as level line, in which all the points are normal to the plumb line. Plumb line is gravity line. If this is the plumb line and this is the level line is always perpendicular to the plumb line. Plumb line is also called gravity line. Elevation. Vertical distance above or below assumed datum. If we assume that this is the datum, the vertical distance is called as elevation. MSL, mean sea level. Mean sea level. Mean sea level, the average height of the sea for all stages of the tide. It is derived by averaging the early tide heights over a long period of 19 years at any particular place. The tides go like this, and the average height of the tide after 19 years is called as MSL. Line of collimation. Intersection of line of crosshair of diaphragm to the optical center of object glass and its continuation is also known as line of sight. It is an imaginary line that is being projected outwards from the level, auto level, and it is getting strike towards the level staff. This line is called as line of collimation. Reduced level. The elevation of a point with respect to either mean sea level or with respect to any fixed point of known height. Okay, if it is the datum and we have to find out the height from the datum, then it is known as the reduced level. Datum or any fixed point. Benchmark. Benchmark is relatively permanent point of reference whose elevation with respect to some assumed datum is known. It is either as a starting point for leveling or as a point upon which to close as a check. Okay, this is the benchmark whose elevation is already known. The first reading that is taken on the benchmark is called backsight. Backsight. After setting up the instrument, first reading taken is called backsight. It is also known as plus sight. Foresight. Last reading taken from an instrument station is called foresight. It is also known as minus sight. As you can see, that instrument is set up here and the leveling staff is positioned here. It is called benchmark when first position is being assessed. This reading is called backsight and the consecutive readings are called intermediate sight. The final position is called foresight. Intermediate sight. All readings other than backsight and foresight are intermediate sight. Let us look at this diagram. Here in this diagram, you will be watching that this is dotted line represent the datum, that is mean sea level. Okay, this is the benchmark. Benchmark is the point whose elevation is already known. This is the tripod on which level is being set up. First reading is taken on benchmark and it is called as back side, which is taken on the benchmark position. After that, this level staff is being positioned at different location. The last reading that is being taken before instrument station is being changed is called foresight. Now let us look at height of instrument. It is the vertical distance of the line of collimation with respect to the datum. Assume that this is the instrument that is set up on the tripod. This is the level and this is the line of collimation. The distance between the line of collimation from the datum is called height of instrument, that is HI. Change point CP, an arbitrary point which enable the leveling to continue from a new instrument position. It is also known as turning point. Here the instrument is being set up at this position. This is called change point 1. After that the instrument is being set up on this position. This will be called as change point 2. Similarly, we have to move forward by changing our instrument position, and this will be called as change point number 3.